Hello everyone, if you ever want to eat tomato and egg noodle soup, just follow my method. It's simple to make, the broth is fresh and delicious, and the aroma is irresistible. First prepare a tomato and cut it in half, then remove the stem. Cut the tomato into chunks, make the pieces a bit larger. If they're too small, they'll disappear when stir-fried. Once cut, place the tomato pieces in a bowl and set aside. Slice a section of green onion. After slicing, place them on a plate and set aside. Cut a few pieces of leafy greens into sections. Prepare 3 fresh hen eggs and crack them into a bowl. Add a little pepper to remove any fishy smell and beat the eggs thoroughly with chopsticks. After beating, set the eggs aside. Prepare 2 yuan worth of fresh noodles. Bring water to a boil in a pot and add a spoonful of salt to make the noodles chewier. Then add the noodles. Gently stir with chopsticks to prevent sticking. Cook the noodles until done, which takes about 3 minutes. After the noodles come to a boil, add cold water once. This keeps the broth from getting too thick. When the noodles come to a boil a second time, add cold water again. This way the cooked noodles will be even smoother and chewier. The noodles are ready when they're cooked through with no hard center. Next, add the leafy greens and blanch them until cooked. Alright, take the noodles out. Then put them into cool boiled water to chill. This makes the noodles chewy, smooth, and prevents sticking. After chilling, drain the water. Place the noodles in a bowl for later use. Add a little oil to the pot. Once the oil is hot, pour in the beaten eggs. Stir-fry the egg mixture until it sets. Then break up the eggs as you stir-fry. Once the eggs are done, take them out and set aside. Add a little more oil to the pot, then add the scallions and stir-fry until fragrant. Once fragrant, add the tomatoes. Stir-fry the tomatoes until they release their juices. When stir-frying the tomatoes, add a spoonful of salt to help them release their juices quickly. After the tomatoes have released their juices, add an appropriate amount of boiling water. Add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce to enhance the flavor. Add a little dark soy sauce for color. Then boil over high heat for 2 minutes. Add a suitable amount of cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Cook the sauce until it becomes thick. Finally, add the eggs. This will prevent a fishy, eggy taste. Turn the heat to high, stir well, and cook for about 10 seconds. Okay, turn off the heat and pour it over the noodles. A delicious bowl of tomato and egg noodle sauce is ready. Nutritious, flavorful, and appetizing. Both adults and children love it. The method is very simple, so if you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.